Hey girl, hey friend. I hope that all is well and that you are geared up and ready for the Christmas holiday season, or let's per se now weekend that we're going into. As we're moving into this weekend, I'm going through my boxes of items that I've purchased over the past couple of months. And one of the things that I was looking for as I'm going through the items is more Christmas bags, because I did purchase another Christmas bag, and I was looking for the Christmas bag because I wanted to wear it, switch out of the gingerbread bag that I have a video for. If you haven't watched it, go out there and check it out. Want to switch out of that bag into one of my other bags, and so I thought maybe I should do a haul since I have all of these boxes from Coach that I didn't get to open, or this box and packages that I didn't get to open. So that's what I'm coming to you with today, is a haul from Coach. There are a few pieces in this bag. You may have seen them on YouTube before, but go ahead and watch my video, sis, just in case you haven't. And make sure that you like and subscribe. Most definitely trying to build my channel. Going to be coming out with more new videos. I've just been kind of recording. And I'll just be honest, just trying to get a little bit more comfortable in front of, not necessarily in front of the camera, because I think I'm comfortable in front of the camera, but a little bit more comfortable with sharing my life and experiences outside of bags, because I feel like I'm kind of interesting, but girl, I might not be interesting at all to somebody. But I'm gonna start posting a little bit more, some vlogs and some other videos, some shop with me's, and you'll see me a lot more often in 2024 as I continue to build my channel. But I'm gonna stop talking. Sis, and I'm gonna talk through the bags. Before I open my boxes from Coach, though, I did just want to show y'all just this cute little bag that I bought from TJ Maxx. Just thought I'd show y'all this one. It's $24.99. This bag was $24.99. It really is just a, I bought the Coach bag, the Kate Spade, the Disney Lounge Fly. I have another Coach Christmas bag, but if you're looking for something just simple and plain, to me, this bag is not simple and plain at all. To me, this bag is dolled to a T. It is something that, girl, it's gorgeous. Let's just get into the red bow for my girls who love bows. And I'm clashing a little bit with my pink here. I should have changed this out, but no worries. We're still going to get into this bag. For my girls who love bows and who love that velvet material, black and white, black, white, winter white, red, gold, flashy gold. You can put all of that with this bag in this Christmas season. Your cute little Christmas sweaters. Y'all, this bag is cute. It is that. It is that. It's the girl. Yes, it is. It's the girl, and it's very cute. And I just wanted to show y'all this just in case, you don't want to go out there and spend $100. I'm sure to fit a cell phone in here. I just don't have mine near me. It has a gold chain on it. I'm sure it will be just as cute if you're going out for a party, dinner date, Christmas party during the Christmas season. There's a couple of days left. If you're looking for one, go check it out in TJ Maxx. I did see these just recently and some other really, really cute ones. So just wanted to point that out. I'm going to my face in the camera. I'm gonna put that up there. Okay. Then we're gonna get into my Coach haul. Let's get into the Coach haul. Okay. So I'll open it this way because I think it has like my information on here. Let's open it this way. Okay. So here's one of my packages from Coach. There's about 3 more, but this is one. And okay, this is not the Christmas items just yet, I don't think, but let's dig into these and see what they are. I don't 100% remember everything. But I do know I have a Christmas bag in this collection, okay? That's one thing I do know. And that's what I'm searching for. Okay, this is the Mickey Mouse card pouch. As you know, I'm Disney, Loungefly. I am a fan, so I had to pick this up in the Coach collection. Had to pick that up. You may have seen this before on some other channels, so I wanted to just show that again. And this looks like it's the little card case. So I have the zipper wristlet, and then this one is the card case. This is the girl that I am today. I used to wear big wallets, and I have a big wallet right now. I'm so over it already. But this is me. This is what I like to use to put my cards and IDs in. I don't really carry a lot of cash, so this works perfect for me. Okay, I'll keep those little tags, maybe. I will keep those little tags, I guess. Here's another package from Coach. I actually opened this one like I opened the other one. Like I said, I was looking through my items trying to find things, and this only came with one item in. They could have saved all their paper, sis, saved the trees, and sent it all together, but I guess different items come from different warehouses, and that's probably why they send it that way. Not 100% certain. If you know why they send the packages separate like that, somebody tell me in the comments. Is it because of different warehouses carry different items? So here's Mickey. Here's a Christmas wallet. It's so cute. Mickey on skates, ice skating. I actually could use this one all the way through the holiday season. Probably could even carry it into Valentine's Day. So it's super cute. I actually could use this in my little purse. It's a little bit off, but hey, it's a cute red wallet to go in there. So I got the Mickey card wallet. I have this box here. I have this box here. Let's go ahead and open this box up and see what's in this box. I'm getting excited because I bet this is something good in this box. I just have a feeling it is. And like I said, I don't know what's in all of them. I know that I have a Christmas bag, but where it is, I have no idea. Let's see. Ooh, it is something good. Then I can use these boxes for gifts too, so that's a good thing. I can package them up to wrap them. It's really something good. I'm so excited about this one too. Now that I'm looking at it, so yes, 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 yes. I love it. Oh my goodness. It's the Mickey Mouse Christmas pencil case from Coach. Look at how pretty, look at how gorgeous that is. Minnie is so cute with her candy cane, and there's snowflakes in that black. I love this. I love this. Let's see what it looks like in the inside. It's that signature Coach, like oxblood, I guess, color, brown color. The hardware on this one, because I'm using it's black. I love it. I love these little pencil cases. Of course, I don't only use them for pencil cases. I use them for other things. I have quite a few of them. Thank you. And I love them. Then this is, of course, a Coach notebook. Now, I wish I would have opened this, like I said, a little bit earlier. Be careful with this box cutter so I don't cut into the packaging. Okay, there we go. Put into the packaging and on my actual notebook. Of course, you can't have the pencil case without the notebook. So I got the notebook to go with the pencil case. How freaking cute. It's such a cutie. Oh, Donald Duck is back here. My goodness, Pluto. I love this. Look at Mickey's sweater. I love his sweater. This is such a cute one. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad that I was able to add this one to my collection. This is a really cute one. Oh my gosh. I wish I would have opened it earlier and I would have used it, but that's okay. God says the same. I'll have it next year, sis. Awesome. Love, love, love. Okay. Now let me open the box. Okay, so there's a big box. And I bet you can just about guess what's in the big box. I won't put the box up here. I'll just kind of open it on the side over here. You can hear me over here cracking it open. And let's see what we got. So since I found it. It's the Christmas bag. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. It's the Christmas bag. Let me move this out of the way. This has to move now. So let me move this. Let me keep these here since this goes with that. And let me move these down here. Here we go. Let's open this girl up. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. That's my dad's spirit fingers. I'm excited, y'all. I should have opened this box a long time ago. Where have I been? In what land and world? Because this most definitely is a bag that I should have carried on all of my shopping days. My goodness. Look at how gorgeous this bag is. For those of y'all who went into the Coach outlet when this collection was there, it's probably still there or maybe not. I think this bag is sold out on Coach, so sorry that I'm showing it so late if you haven't seen it. But this bag is super cute, y'all. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I did this to myself. Why? Why did I do this to myself? Look at those straps. The straps are pretty. I may not take it all the way apart. The colors match. So like even inside of the notebook and the pencil case, it still has this same like, is that a red tone or is that brown? I probably need to put on my glasses so I can see better, but y'all let me know what color you think it is. What color is that to you? Let me know how you feel about this bag. Do you think that's super cute? Would you carry this for Christmas? There's a pocket back here. Would you carry this during the holiday season? It's huge. You literally could use it probably for a diaper bag if you had like a baby. And you know, that's so funny how I said if you had like a baby, because I haven't had a baby in so long around me. It's almost like a foreign concept. My word is beach, not baby. But if you had a baby, of course, you could use this as a diaper bag almost. I mean, you can buy the little insert, right? And make this into a diaper bag. It's cute enough to be one. But it's going to use it for her purse. Okay? Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes, I'm in love. Let me take all the packaging off. Okay, friends, I took the paper off of the bag. I don't think I left anything on it, but I took all the paper off just so I can show you just in full what the bag looks like completely with the pocket on the back. There are no feet on this bag. the black straps with white, or is it cream color piping thread around. You can tell I'm a baker because I say piping instead. That's what I call it. It's piping, okay? So I wanted to show you that one. And it goes with my little pencil case. Super cute. I thought I bought the wallet to this, but who knows? There may be another box around here somewhere that I'm just not, that I need to dig through. But that's that Christmas collection bag. And then I went ahead and, oh no, it's the Mickey wallet that I'm going to use. So I'm going to actually use, that's the wallet I bought. I'm going to use this wallet with the collection. So that's how it'll look. Okay. Outside of my other items, because I think I'm going to switch into this bag. I'm not going to use the planner right now. Well, I could just switch my other one out, right? I can't. Okay. So I'll switch into this bag over the weekend out of my gingerbread bag. I'll have to show you my gingerbread bag. Maybe I'll do a little quick video on that one to show what's in my bag and how I decorated my girl up. So that's this one. And then just let me show you the other bag. And as you can see, it's themed, so I just about know that y'all know exactly what bag it may be. But it's another Disney bag. It's the Dempsey 20, I think. I think this one is the 20. I can't quite remember. But it has Mickey Mouse on it. I just thought this was so cute. I'm going to put some more red or black, brown accessories with this bag. And this is going to be so cute. There's a pocket here in the bag. There's 2 pockets on this side of the bag. 1 and 2. There's no feet. Oh, there is feet. Oh, yay. I love when my bags have feet. Okay, so there's feet on the bag. The Dempseys normally do have feet, right? And then the strap. The only thing I would say about the strap that I would have liked to see is that it had more Coach branding on it. There's no Coach branding on this strap. I mean, I guess it's good. It could be universal. I wouldn't care if it had Coach all over it. I still would use it on another bag if I needed to. But I wish there was just some type of Coach branding on the Dempsey. It would have been super cute if they would have put like Coach C's and some Mickeys on top of here, or Mickey and Disney. I wouldn't have mind that branding at all on here. Coach, if you go ahead and run that idea, go ahead and send me the bag and let me show it out for y'all. But super cute. It will go with the rest of my items that I have for it. So super cute. Thank you. If you made it this far through the haul, girl, you number one. You the best. You the best friend of all friends, and I appreciate you, girl. Drop me some comments. Let me know how you feel about the bags. Let me know if you got any Christmas bags. I'm waiting for that in those comments. What Christmas bags did you pick up, sis? Let me know if I'm missing something so I can go grab myself some more for next year. Okay? I hope that everyone has a wonderful, wonderful weekend. A very Merry Christmas. Love and light to you all. And I'll see you back in another video soon. Bye, friends. Bye, girl. Take care.